Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we are going to see what chances do we have to go even higher, and this was the bottom, or we go down from the bottom trend line of 26.7k for BTC USDT, you can see right here, and from 25.3k for BTC USD pair. I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are, but let's start quickly. So for Bitcoin USDT, we are going to start a little bit with some details. You can see that right now we are always holding the 28.7k. It is possible that we are forming here a descending triangle, and that's why I'm giving it due to the latest data. We have some lower highs right here. I think that I have to be biased though, okay, because if we connect the tops already, it isn't a descending triangle. However, if we are a little bit biased and we use the imagination, then yes, we have the same bottom, we have some lower high pattern, therefore it is possible that we are seeing a descending triangle. That means it is a continuation pattern and we are going further down, okay. But anyway, this doesn't have many chances to happen. The fact here, I think that we have some worse things that we should be discussing. And I'm sorry that I'm not so positive into Bitcoin's bottom, but I have seen some things that I do not like. First of all, the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. We lost the bottom trend line, of course, right here. And you can see that for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, unless a miracle happens on the weekly frame and we close above, nothing is going to be good. And right now, what we are going to do is simply go further down for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. On the daily frame, we lost it right here on 25 May, this nicely bottom trend line. However, though, what we have to do right now is that we have to go up again and make it as a resistance. If we do that, then it is over. Okay, because we have seen some fake outs over and over again. For example, we go down from a trend line, then we go up, and this was a fake out, right? This was a bear trap, as we call it, all right? So therefore, we need to see getting rejected and then going down, but the first bearish sign is here. We have gone down from the bottom trend line, and this is bad for the altcoins as well. Let's go to BTC dominance, the second worst sign. I was wrong about it, okay? I thought that we are going to find rejection right here. Instead, we rode the top trend line of the Bitcoin's dominance. And it seems like if we can keep going higher, then we have a breakout, okay? So this is what is going to happen. Maybe this is a bull trap as well, and we go down and eventually lose the top trend line. Okay, this could be the case. However, until we do that, it is a bearish sign. I do not have to say anything, because as long as the Bitcoin's dominance is rising, the altcoin's dominance will get lower and lower, and therefore, if BTC corrects, then altcoins will be devastated. They will be correcting for more and more. Okay, but anyway, for the time being, for BTC USDT chart, the most probable scenario, as we talked about already, is to go higher. It is to see some resistance levels at least at 31.8k, at least at 33.2k, 31.8k being our most important resistance level for BTC USDT, but right now, and for BTC USD, but right now we might be forming, as we talked about, the bearish descending triangle. I have to say about this because after a few days we are forming, and we are not so strong, we are forming some lower highs, and I had to put it in my technical analysis so we do not miss a single chance, okay? And right now, what is the most important thing right now? Due to the latest data that we have, it is not possible that we already have found the bottom. Unfortunately, I'm sorry that I'm coming in with bad news, but this is what it is. BTC right now probably haven't met the bottom yet. Not for BTC USDT pair, not even for BTC USDT pair, because we have there a different low. Okay, so it is logical that we should be going probably further down. I know that you are getting stuck with your money. I know that this is boring. I know that this is 9 weeks of consolidation that we have never seen before. Never seen 9 weeks of bearish trend rate here. Look at that. Not a single candlestick was green. Not at all. Okay, and yeah, it looks horrible, it looks awful, and all that, but trust me, patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, and do not try to DCA. Okay, I will advise you that every time that you're going to DCA cryptocurrency market, it is going to disappoint you because it will get lower and lower, you will lose your money, and then we will go into lower lows as well. Okay, so I would avoid DCA, but right now the thing is that we have more chances in going below the 24K. All right, so therefore the bottom is not over. Probably we have to wait and see though the 31.8K, how it will behave, how Bitcoin will behave around there. And if this is a descending triangle, then yes, it is a little bit pessimistic right here, and yeah, we won't be going higher. However, right now we have to see an explosion. Let's make an explosion just like we had back here, for example. You can see the downtrend and then we exploded. Let's make at least a swing high. At least let's go a little bit upwards and we will be ready to smile again. I want to see happy faces again all over the place. I am not confident enough that we have seen the bottom, but trust me, this is on the weekly and the monthly scale a very good accumulation phase. From what I've seen on Bitcoin right now, we are at the levels of accumulation for the long term. So bulls will step in for the long term soon enough, if not already, and we are going to have a major uptrend again pretty soon enough for BTC USDT. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription to get easy profits even with the bearish market, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.